Welcome to the brand new 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 ZR2. This ZR2 is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine emitted to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the Silverado ZR2, power windows, locks and mirrors, memory seating, drivability dial, trailer mode, push button 4x4 system, your automatic headlights, fog lights, as well as in-bed lighting, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, paddle shifters on the reverse side, a full digital gauge cluster as well, push-button ignition, a 13.4-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system. The vehicle is equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well. Dual zone climate control with heated and ventilated seating. The vehicle does have the automatic shifter knob in the center, integrated trailer braking system as well, ready to go to work. You have the ZR2 branded only interior with the gray leather yellow stitching, Bose audio throughout, and taking a look at our Silverado ZR2 leather heated and ventilated seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado ZR2, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, the Goodyear Wrangler Territory MT tires on the 18-inch ZR2 rims. We have fender flares over top of the body there as well, blacked out door handles with keyless entry, ZR2 badging on the front fender and 6.2 on the front hood. We do have the factory lift kit as well with the DSSV Multimatic suspension system. You do have room for the big wheel and tire packages as well as that ground clearance. Coming to the front of the ZR2, we have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights, grille lights as well. We have the signature red tow hooks with the Chevrolet flow tie camera system up front with the ZR2 badging. Making our way back down the side of the truck, crew cab with rear tinted privacy windows and remote start equipped. At the back of the ZR2, we have rear parking sensors, trailer tow package, LED brake lights, and a multi-flex tailgate. Jumping into the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are heated and car seat ready with in-seat storage feature, sliding rear window with defrost, and a black headliner over top with LED lighting and a single pane sunroof. Down in the center console, you have your heated seats as well as USB ports. This is a crew cab truck, so tons and tons of room in the back of the cab of the Silverado. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 Silverado ZR2. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.